my golly goodness, today we are making a grilled strawberry cheesecake brownie cookie! Woo! I'm so excited. Here we have cookie dough chocolate chip. You can use pre-made cookie dough, store-bought, homemade, up to you. We're just gonna spoon it into a seasoned cast iron, and we're gonna make a layer of cookie. So just like this, we're ready for our next layer, ooey gooey brownie batter. This recipe is not for the faint of heart. If you are not a chocolate lover, you might become one after this recipe. Nice even chocolate brownie layer. And we'll just set this brownie aside while we make our homemade cheesecake mixture. We have cream cheese here, white sugar, and we're gonna mix this together really well. So once your mixture looks like this, the sugar is nice and mixed in, we can add sour cream. It smells so good. And lastly, we will add an egg. We'll just mix this gently. And now with our homemade cheesecake mixture, we're just gonna scoop it on top of this cookie brownie. We're just gonna take a little nifty tool I like to call a toothpick. So this is ready for the grill. But before we move on to that, we're gonna prep our strawberries that are also gonna go on the grill. So with these strawberries, we're just gonna slice them down the middle. This one is for mama. We're just gonna take our strawberries and skewer them like so. We're just gonna sprinkle with some sugar. And this is gonna caramelize so nice and delicious on the grill. Flip, flip. Little love for the backside. All right, we're ready for the grill. Okay, y'all, our grilled strawberry cheesecake brownie cookie is cooled off the grill. Let's get our strawberries onto it. Look how pretty. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay. I'm just kidding. Up a little strawberry. She is so pretty. See you later. This is so good. The cookie is delicious. It's chewy, got a nice little crust. The brownie is so moist and chewy and delicious. This was so yummy. This was a grilled strawberry cheesecake brownie cookie, and this was Bussin Eats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you try this, let us know what your favorite part is. We'll see you next time.